on school. There is echo. You say there is echo, right? Definitely I'm working on it. Hold on. To not take more than a minute from now. So I think all the platforms are ready now. We can call it a go. Apologies. Yeah. What do we call this? Last minute technical challenges that just come when you didn't expect them. Like I was absolutely excited, super pumped. But when I just hit the computer, it lost it just couldn't connect to the internet for no reason whatsoever. Can you imagine? For no reason whatsoever. But I got it now. So it is TikTok loading. Yeah, I get to TikTok now. And then I am able to come here and add this one. The best way to do about it is to share screen right away. And be able to be up and running. Yeah, there we go. There is echo on school. Can you hear me properly? Obviously, that is good. So we are live in all platforms. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, we had so many people who had already come to the live session, but I'm happy that they are able to come back. So let's go back to the school. So we are good to go. Yep, that is awesome. So let me make sure I have my presentation ready. Yep, that is good. Let me see. Oh my goodness, there was absolutely a lot of things that were lost. A lot of things. I'll tell you for sure. I've lost this. But anyway, I can do it. I'm the one who prepared it. Yeah, I can do it. But my presentation was deleted somehow. I can just tell this was not what I prepared. I mean, not everything, word by word, but yep. All right. If you're on YouTube, let me share my screen to the guys on YouTube. I can't find you on TikTok. Yes, Lula. I'm going there right now, and I want to go make sure that you are there and you have got all the information. So we are live on all the platforms right now. And what I like about it is that you guys are patient, and that literally encourages me because you understand sometimes technical can be crazy, it can be challenging, And now someone confirmed to me that the echo on school is over now. I'm going straight away to sharing my screen. To sharing my screen. I want to share my screen. And then I come here. And then I share the screen. Yeah. So I have to share everything. Everything that is on that summit. Everything. And then, oh, did I? Just stopped. Okay. So let me share my screen. Yeah, let me hope. This is the last one. Let's go. This is how I do Facebook. Oh my goodness. This is where everything went totally crazy. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Then I click send. I save. So I'm now sharing for the team on school. I share the screen on school. I want to share everything, the whole of my computer. I share with them. And then I hope they have shared. I click close. Then I click go live. Yeah, that is the last one. And then the last one is to record. Oh my goodness. One person is able to do all of these things. It is insane, literally. Yeah, now you're live on all the platforms, but recording is done on school. So I go to school and then I record. How are you guys? Good evening. I hope you had a wonderful day. I did have a wonderful day as well. I spent a lot of time preparing. Oh my goodness. I just hope my presentation is in order. So we are recording now. Now let's see. Welcome to the second day of the AI Summit, despite the technical glitch that we just experienced for the last 25 minutes. Yeah, we were ready for, but what happened is that we experienced a technical glitch. And that is what I want us to work on right now. And I want us to go straight away and cover the day two. So I want to welcome you guys. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sam Gesheha. Everyone who is joining us for the first time, congratulations and welcome for joining us this evening. Tonight, we are in the second day of the AI Summit, but I want to tell you a little bit of my story. I'm a high school math teacher, and I'm going to be giving you photos and images. Like I'm going to be giving a very radical presentation tomorrow evening when we are doing for the third day, because tonight my presentation has been interrupted for sure. How did I come across AI? My background is that I'm a high school teacher. when I was working as a high school teacher, I came across a digital marketing opportunity, how to create, how to market digital products on the internet. And tonight I wanna dive deep into the different AI tools. But as much as I talk about the AI tools, AI marketing, AI whatever, back then I was not AI proficient. I didn't know about AI, no experience about AI. I was just a completely, that kind of, when someone talks about an AI and you nod together as if you know, but you don't know. That was me. I discovered an AI training while I was already in digital marketing. And what I loved about it is that AI is an assistant. In fact, it is called artificial intelligence. It is an assistant intelligence. And tonight we want to cover about the tools. Yesterday, what we covered mainly on the introduction, and we talked about the Spark technique. And then from there we went to a oh my goodness. Yeah, something has just happened on TikTok. They have been thrown off or something like that. TikTok guys, are you guys okay? You hear everything okay? Type okay in the comments. I don't know, it is just telling me some funny things. Let me know whether, yes, okay, all right. I don't know what she sent me something scary there. Oh my goodness, your TikTok is not okay. Yeah, I love it. Thank you so much. All right. So today we want to talk about the different AI tools so that you can come from doing things manually and you can have them done by AI. So tonight we are starting off at 7:25 p.m. So actually our AI, our practical class is going to start at around 8:15 or something like that. Now looking back, I discovered this AI digital marketing business. It is AI and digital marketing, because AI and digital marketing, they work hand in hand, because AI is the assistant, your digital products are your products for making money. The combination, that is how you find the sweet spot. Let us do a quick recap of day one. First of all, I want to ask you a question. How many of us attended day one? Type one in the comments if you came for day one yesterday. Let me see those who came for day one yesterday. How many of us attended day one yesterday? Tell me in the comments. We came for day one. We came for day one. Yeah, someone tell me if you came for day one. How many of you are able to attend day one of the masterclass? Like you are able to come for the day one of the summit? I'm curious to know. Yeah, tell me in the comments if you came for the day one. Day one. Okay, how many missed day one? And then guys on school, someone tell me if I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen? That is the guys on school. Can you see my screen? School team, tell me whether you can able to see my screen just to confirm. I don't want to proceed when some other group, a certain group is left behind. Yeah. So screen, tell me a yes. Yes. Michael tells me yes. Okay, thank you, Bono. I appreciate that. Very well. So I think all the platforms are sorted. I want that. I don't want anybody to be left behind. So if you came for day one yesterday, surely there was a lot that we covered. And I want us to do a quick recap of what we covered, just in case there's someone who is joining us for the first time, so that in case you choose, all right, in case you choose to the practical, you will not feel like you are being left behind. Other people are ahead of you. So we looked at what is AI. Basically, we looked at an AI software. We said AI is a software that is trained on data to recognize patterns and generate intelligent output. Not magic, it is purely math. All right? It was given a lot of data and it was told to be able to study that data and provide adequate feedback. Higher. Then from there, we talked about the Spark technique. We talked about the Spark technique. So what exactly is the Spark technique? So Spark technique is situation, persona, ask, result, and what to keep in mind. SPARK. That is your brilliant framework prompting. Then from there, we went to ChatGPT versus Cloud. We looked at the difference between those two AI tools, and we applied the Spark technique inside them. And members in the practical session said Cloud stood out in the outcome of results, which is awesome. So the one AI tool that stood out from all of this, guess what? It was Cloud. It's the one that stood out in all of this presentation. Then we had a conversation about prompting and why it is important that you keep refining, you keep doing it, you keep trying. I mean, you keep practicing it so that your skills can continue to become better. Very well. Now, today, I want to walk you through something very unique and something very different. We are going to have a theory class, and it's going to be very detailed. Every category of AI we shall cover today in pure and plain English. We are going to look at the best tools in each category. Tonight, guys, I am teaching you 8, not 1, not 3. I am telling you 8 different categories of AI, and then the best tools in each category. Yes, I'll give you like 5 examples of different tools, but I'll tell you this one is the best. So I will eliminate you to go through the research. You don't have to try all of them to find out which one for yourself. I will just tell you right now, I have worked with this one. It is the best. And then we are going to have real life examples and real world use cases for every model of this AI example. And then I want to teach you something called AI ethics. AI, they have ethics and they have risks. And what a smart person should do, bearing in mind, you working with AI, it is smarter than you and 100 times better than you. So what are the risk areas you should observe? For sure, I'm not telling you this to scare you, but I can tell you one thing for sure. AI is smarter than me and you combined, and 100 times the power that we have. So how can we be able to protect our private data? That is where I'm going. How do you protect your private data? As much as you are using it, how can you keep your private data personal? Then we are going to go to the practical session. This is going to be the cream de la cream. It's going to be where all the sweet spot is going to be flowing. I will show you how to generate professional AI images live from a text prompt. I'm also going to be showing you how to produce real videos using AI, how to clone your voice. Can you imagine how AI can speak in your voice now? From there on, AI will speak in your voice. You tell it, it speaks the way you want. I will show you how to use AI to write a full script. Then you are going to walk away from this session. Today is the peak, the magical session today. You will walk out with real output that you can start using today. And out of this, the work you're going to do, I will show you how to convert that into money. How can that become income for you? What is the money-making opportunities? And we are going to dive deeper on that tomorrow. Yes, the practical class is 3,500, and we are going to be starting off at 8 p.m. So make a purpose to attend the practical class, my friend. All right? Even if you did not attend yesterday's practical, you can attend today. I will share the recording with all the paid members. You will have the recording of the day 1 summit, the practical part. Theory is available already. I have already released it in our school community. But if you want the practical recording for yesterday, you can get it. So purpose to register to join us for the practical. Are we ready now? Give me a ready in the comments down below here, like a very big ready if you are ready for the class to proceed. Type a big ready in the comments if you are ready for us to proceed. Come on, come on, come on. Type a big ready in the comments. Yes, type a very big ready in the comments if you are ready for us to proceed. I'm curious. Let me see. How many of us are ready? Ready. Type ready in the comments. Type ready in the comments. And by the way, if you are watching us on TikTok live, you can invert your phone. Use your phone like a laptop. Invert it so that you can be able to zoom in and you can see the data. Same case with anybody who cannot be able to see the data properly. Just turn your phone so that we can be able to see the AI. I mean the whole presentation properly. Just turn your phone to be landscape. Yeah, let it be landscape. Yes, let it be landscape. Let's go. I can see. I'm not seeing ready. Give me a ready in the comments down below here. All right, give me a ready. You are ready for the whole class. Ready for the digital marketing session. Let me know whether you are ready. Yes, that is good. So tonight, my friend, I want to share with you the 8 categories of AI that you need to know. All right? The 8 categories of AI you need to know. And by the way, in case you're wondering, can I be able to get the recording of the whole summit? Absolutely yes. Only that is going to be costing more. Right now, you can get it for $27, but later it will come for $97. It will become a digital product. And I promise you, it's going to be worth it. All right? You will walk away here as an expert. Now, the landscape, literally, it is the 8 categories of AI that you need to know. Now, I want to give you all of them, and then I want us to go through each one of them. Let me try to zoom, just in case anybody is struggling to see. I will try to zoom as much as possible. Where the write-ups are small, I will try to bring it closer so we can see it. So we have got 8 AI models, total of them. By the way, I have never taught this skill, never. We start with the first model. It is called, or category. The right word to call it is category. It is called large language model. Large language model, okay, LLMs. We have image generation, AI. We have voice stroke audio AI, or voice and audio AI. You can take a screenshot. You can write them down. I know you have your pen and you have your notebook, so write these generations down. And then I'm going to be going into each one of them. Yes, theory class, I told you, I will not hide anything. I will go practical in each one of them. I mean, theoretically, and then in practical, we are going to work through each one of them. Can you imagine? Theory class, oh my goodness, you guys are so favored. I am so thrilled. We have video generation AI, automation AI, music and sound AI, coding. When I say the word, you say AI. Higher music and sound. Higher, very well. Coding. Research and search. Yes, I say the model and you say the AI, isn't it? Those are the 8 categories. Let us go through each one of them one by one by one. Higher. Today, let us start off with the largest. It is called a large language model. In short, they are called LLMs. So I went deeper and I wanted to bring you the best one. All right? The best one. How I wish to attend this one. This is a live masterclass and live session of the AI Summit. And you guys, please, I am going to make sure that you have access even to the recording and everything you need, okay? So don't regret. In case you missed a one, I record all my trainings, all of them. By the way, I am very unique. Even my live streams, everything I do, I record because I know they are digital. We call them, God, I forgot, digital intelligence or something about it. But they are powerful. In other words, they can stay for a long time. An LLM is an AI system that is trained on vast amount of text. The key word to take away here is large language model are text-based. They understand natural language. They answer questions. They write the content. They analyze documents. They translate languages. They summarize report, and they hold intelligent conversations. Think of them as your always available, brilliantly knowledgeable assistant. Like in a click of a button, you can ask it any question, whether personal or whether non-personal. We shall go to the part of risk. I know there are some people today, after learning the skill I want to teach you, you will not be telling this AI some secrets, all right? Or even if you do, I will show you a secret how you can be able to employ what we call a temporary memory. Because large language models, they are the ones that we communicate with a lot. Some of them, they capture your private data, okay? Of course, you're the one who give them. It's not like they capture by mistake. No, you are the one who give them. How can you be able to work with it like a smart person? Anyway, there's nothing to worry about. There are always guardrails that are put to control them. So again, it's not like you should be worried that your private data or AI is going to hack your account. AI cannot hack your account, okay? Relax. The tools in this case, we have ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 was created by a company called OpenAI. It is best for speed, versatile, meaning that it is accuracy, daily writing, images, and browsing in one tool. That is what it is the ChatGPT we know about. We have another one called Cloud, and I love it. It literally has overcome ChatGPT. It was created by a company called Anthropic. This one is for long documents. If you have like a long document that you want to study, all right? Deep analysis, nuanced writing, complex reasoning. Cloud has a deeper capacity to be able to reason with the complex matters. Let's say, for example, you're the kind of person who deal with a lot of data in PDF, in Excel format, and you don't want to go through them manually. Feed that data to cloud. It will read through, and then it will give you the insight that you want. Higher, then we have Google Gemini. Google Gemini is formed by Google. It is the Gemini we know. Real-time web info, Gmail Docs integration, and multimodal tasks. It is able to do multiple work at the same time. They introduced a new feature called video listening. Like you can be able to turn on and it has a capacity to be able to record something and tell you more information about that place. Practical people, wait for me. Wait for me. I've got so much good things for you. Can I tell you something? There are some things I've learned when I was preparing for the summit. Like some things were like, wow, did that just happen? Higher. And these are tools I'm giving you under large language model. We have Microsoft Copilot done by Microsoft. It is built into the Word, Excel, and Outlook. Basically, this one is mainly meant for people who use Microsoft. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, anything to do with Microsoft Copilot can do it. Higher, we have Grok. This one was done by xAI. All right, xAI, they have got real-time X. All right, it is used right real life in X, Twitter data, candid answers, and trend analysis. It studies the trend. All right. Yeah, I see someone is asking, do AI have feelings? Can they express emotions? Can they get angry? We shall come there. But the truth of the matter is that AI has no emotion. It cannot be happy or angry at all. All right? We are going to test it and see whether it can laugh. If we tell it, Ebu, laugh, I want to hear how you laugh. We will hear whether it can laugh, because laughing is an emotion. Or we are going to test it and see, can it cry? Can it express sad emotions? You will be surprised. AI is zero when it comes to emotions. Then we have got Matter. It's called Matter Llama, but it is Meta. Sorry, not Meta, Meta. Meta is built by, Meta Llama is built by Meta. It is open source and it learns locally. For example, if you go to your WhatsApp, all right, it's already built in WhatsApp, in Facebook, Instagram. You will come across the AI assistant. What name do they call it? And it is customizable. You can train it so it can be able to talk like you. Are you seeing that? All these big companies, they have put in tools. And listen here, all these tools, they have got a free version and the enterprise version. But you can just test the free version and find out. So which one is the best tools among them in the large language model? We shall come back there. But for sure, cloud is the best among them all. Let us go to model. Model number 2 is generation AI. Image generators. Because what I want you to carry from today, I don't want you to have disorganized information. I want you to put everything in a structure. So when you have a task, you can give the task to the right tool. Are you with me? Identify the task you want, and then you ask your question, which AI tool can do this job? Image generation AI, clearly you type in a description in plain English, and what AI does, it generates a professional photorealistic or artistic image in a matter of seconds. No design skills needed, no Photoshop license, no stock photo fees. It is just your imagination and a Spark prompt. You remember we talked about the Spark prompt yesterday, right? You bring in a Spark prompt on top of it, boom, you have a stunning visual output. So this one is for images. Higher. Let's look at different AI tools. Some of them you have never heard of them. Can I tell you for sure? The first one is called DALL-E. DALL-E. It's called DALL-E. So DALL-E is done by OpenAI. It is built inside ChatGPT. This one is best for photorealistic images from prompts. So meaning that you will give it a prompt, it will bring in what? An image. The good thing is that you don't need to go out there and search for DALL-E. With ChatGPT inside, you will find DALL-E there, which is good. It is one AI is able to integrate all these AI tools. And I think ChatGPT has done that very well. It has been able to integrate this AI very well. Higher. Midjourney. Midjourney is the most artistic quality stunning visuals. It is used by top designers in the world. So Midjourney produces world-class images from a very high-class prompt. Then we have another tool called Stable Diffusion by Stability AI. So this one is open source and it is free. You can run it locally, massive customization and flexibility. And I have not used it before, but it is good you note it there. Adobe Firefly. So this is done by Adobe or Adobe. As some people call it Adobe, others call it Adobe. I don't know. So Adobe Firefly, it is commercial safe images. It integrates with Photoshop and Creative Cloud, meaning that, again, it's for images. Then we have Canva AI. So it's also called Dream by Inside Canva. It generates images directly inside Canva designs. This one is very beginner friendly. You just have a Canva account, tell it the image you want, and boom, it will give you. Actually, what Canva AI does, it gives you like 4 options. You choose the best. And then you have given the permissions to customize. Like you can edit that photo. You can do editing inside the one it has generated. Not like ChatGPT. ChatGPT image, you cannot edit. All right, you cannot like literally edit. But for Canva, you can. Then we have Ideogram, best for AI images with accurate text and typography inside them. It is called Ideogram. So those are the top 6 tools. I am choosing the top 6 tools that carry one job: image generation. Are we flowing together? Image generation. So in your notebook, write down the tools and write down what they do for. I mean, what they can do for you. Then let us keep going. I want to mention something when we are there. As much as I'm diving deeper on the tools tonight, I also want you to understand that tools can come and go. Yeah, surprise. Tools can come and go. What is going to remain for you, my friend? It is the role you want. Other tools can keep coming as we go along the way. All right, even myself right now, I am working on my own tool, my own in-house, locally run AI tool that can be used by my clients to carry out a specific job. I will tell you that surprise tomorrow. I am working on a secret AI tool right now. So tools can keep coming depending on the job you want done. So tools can come and go. That's my point. But because they have not gone, use them right now. Number 3, out of the 8 AI categories, we have got voice and audio AI. This one, they do what we call voice cloning. A voice AI, it converts text to lifelike speech. It clones existing voices from a short audio sample. It removes background noise. It can be able to convert audio into text. It can translate spoken content in real time, from podcast production to voiceovers to customer service. Voice AI is transforming audio creation. Let me tell you guys, voice and audio AI, you have probably interacted in it. How many of you guys know Safaricom? If you're in Kenya, our biggest mobile provider is Safaricom. They use this AI called they use this model of voice and audio. What they do is that they have trained their AI for customer service. Are you with me? So when you call 100 today, the receiving time has reduced drastically, and you get a very accurate and responsive AI that is able to speak with you. And I love that, by the way. Honestly speaking, I love that because it is putting AI into action. So when you call 100, an AI receives on the other end. And let me tell you, this AI is able to respond to 1,000. Even 1,000 is an understatement. 1,000 calls and be able to reply back. Why? Because they have known the trend, right? AI, voice AI is very powerful. It has transformed audio creation. Nowadays, you have AI that can actually receive a phone call like you. It can talk in your voice, respond like you, everything. It can talk like you. So we call it voice and audio AI. So let me give you examples of AI tools that we can have. So we have got 11 Labs. This is the top when it comes to cloning voices. Best voice cloning tool. Clone any voice with 60 seconds of audio. Like it only want a natural audio of 60 seconds worth. And from there, it can be able to speak anything with that voice. Powerful, right? The second tool is Math AI. It is professional voiceovers in 120 plus voices, perfect for presentations. All right, so I want you to note them down. I don't want you to go and I want you to, you can actually, you have the freedom to go and try each one of them and see how all of them, they have a free version. So don't be afraid. Just go and try them. And then you choose one. But as I tell you, from the point of view, 11 Labs is the one I have used. It is actually at the top of the list. I put it on the top of the list. Higher. Then we have Play.ht. This one is an ultra realistic AI voice. It is great for podcast and audiobooks. It is able to dub, all right, podcast and be able to produce them now from there. Higher, we have Adobe Podcast. This one is done by Adobe, AI-powered noise removal and voice enhancement. For studio quality, this AI is able to do a very good, able to see my screen. Guys on school, can you see my screen? Guys on school, I want to see, like, I'm curious. We can be able to see the school link very well. And TikTok, they can see everybody. So at the end of the day, we are in all platforms to make sure that we have captured the audience and you don't miss anything. We have Otta AI, so real-time meeting transcription and some. This one is, by the way, used in Zoom. Whenever we have a Zoom class, we have an AI that literally can be able to, it can be able to think everybody has said on that Zoom and be able to read them by name and tell you this is what they said. It is able to transcribe. We call it. Do you know why online writing jobs went away? If you have ever tried online writing, many people say online writing pays, it works well. Not with the emergence of AI. Nowadays, the work of online writing was to transcribe maybe long text into audio or to be able to turn audio into text. Now you have an AI that you can feed it. Owner, they save their money. The people who are giving those jobs, they discovered AI. So those who are very good and they were making good money with online writing, not anymore. Higher, then we have Whisper. This one is an open source transcription. It is accurate across 100 plus languages and it is free. So Whisper AI is done by Open AI. It is always good to know the company behind it so that you can be able to say it's like a brand. Me, I always use AI from Open AI. You see the way you say, I've noticed something, for example, myself here and in my family, all our bags, they are from one brand. Surprisingly, we love all our bags coming from a certain brand. Like all of them, they have the certain logo. If it is shoes, you find some people they love Nike shoes, all right, or they like a certain brand. Now we shall come to AI. You'll be working with a tool from a certain company. You say, for me, everything from OpenAI is the one I want. So you want image generator from OpenAI, you want voice from OpenAI, you want, that is how we are heading to. We shall have even my AI tool I'm hosting under OpenAI because I need to have a cloud source. I need to have a source. So my source is going to be inside OpenAI. So I will be saying my AI is hosted by OpenAI, okay? And therefore, all people who are, because OpenAI was the first AI company to be launched and be able to produce these tools. And that's the same thing I am actually doing. That's my direction. Can I be honest with you? As much as I'm doing digital marketing, I want to be able to make reselling digital products so simple. I want to make it so accurate. I want to make it so easier for you as a marketer. I promise you, that's my goal. And that's why I'm hosting my platforms on OpenAI so that now I can be able to give you opportunities to grow and we actually grow together. And this can be the first AI startup in Kenya that is hosted on OpenAI. I don't know whether it's the first one, but I promise you, I am going to be building something you guys are going to love. When it comes to reselling digital products, oh my goodness, it's going to be safe. It's going to click of a button. In the click of a button, you have got everything produced. And from there, we are going to be good, okay? So I'm stealing for you the secrets of the projects under me. You realize I work a lot behind the scenes, I do a lot. And I love it when I bring it out, it is okay. Higher. Let's continue. Which number are we now? We are in which generation or which model of AI? We are in the fourth one. We are halfway. It is called video generation AI. So what does this do? This video generation AI, it generates videos from text descriptions. It is able to make a still image, like a photo, to animate. It creates AI avatars that speak your script. It extends existing footage. Like, let's say you recorded a video up to a certain point. It is able to complete and go to maybe an extra 1 hour. What? It is able to remove background. It produces professional ads, all without a camera, no editor, no production team. What used to cost thousands now cost minutes. It used to cost thousands of hours. Now it can cost minutes. So I want to give you an example. AI, or in other words, why video generation is very powerful is because the best way to be able to appeal to the human emotion is by using AI. Sorry, by using video. A video, let me just educate you here. Maybe I can be able to write it here. A video is powerful because of many, many elements. So number one is that one video can be able to do so many things. If you think about it, a video appeals to a human emotion in many, many, many angles. Look at it like this. Higher, a video you can be able to see. So you are able to appeal to the sense of sight. Because a video you are able to see it, isn't it? So you're able to appeal to the sense of sight. Another element of a video is very good, is that you're able to hear. So you are able to appeal to the sense of hearing. These are human senses. Then a video, you are able to feel. All right, feel is emotion. It is through a video that you are actually able to feel something, because it's a video. You can feel happy, you can feel sad, depending on the video that you do. Let me tell you, these are the elements that make a video powerful. And that is why one of the most powerful ways to resell digital products and get clients is by using a video, because videos are authentic. They share the real story. Now, what does AI come to do? AI comes to make it more powerful and make you to produce videos at a very high quality. Today, we are watching movies that are AI generated and we can't even notice. You see, it doesn't matter whether they are AI generated or whether they are not, as long as the movie passed the message. Are you with me? It is the message that we are more important with. So therefore, they are able to build trust faster, because videos, they are able to skyrocket the power of trust. And therefore, you as a complete beginner, you can create messages and videos about your digital products through video generation AI tools. Does that make sense? I wanted to emphasize that. And also, if you look at video generation, a video is able to touch into all AI tools, because let me extend this one higher. A video, you will need a script. And we are going to be doing this with our practical students. Okay, we are going to be putting this. First of all, you need a script. Which AI tool? We have talked about it. Which AI tool is good for text? Because a script is a text. Somebody tell me, if you want a script, what AI tool is working? Yes, an LLM, a large language model, is the one that will help us in that case. Higher, from the video, we shall need a photo. You look at that. We shall need a what? A photo. Which AI is good to give us a photo? All right. Which AI is good to give us a photo? Image generator. The one we have talked about. Image generator. Let us proceed. From the video, we also require voice. Voice. I think that. Which AI we have said it is good for voice? Yeah, let me help you. Voice AI. Voice and audio AI. So what you're noticing is that videos are very powerful. So it's a combination of all those tools we have talked about. Let us proceed with our masterclass, guys. I hope you're loving this, because for me, oh my goodness, I am absolutely excited and I am pumped with this. So video generation AI, they are able to do it. What are the tools in this case? So we have Sora. This one is an open AI. It is able to turn any text into a video at cinematic quality. The benchmark everyone is chasing. Like Sora produces high quality world-class AI. Runway ML. It is done by a company called Runway. Professional video editing and generating. Industry favorite for creators. Now it is good for people who are doing content creation. And you see, the good thing is this. These AIs, they are not coming up with avatars. They are using you. They are building your brand. I know an online YouTuber who has never recorded any video with his camera. Even he doesn't have a camera. No ring light, no nothing. And his videos are, oh my goodness, world class. He has built a multi-million-dollar business all because of using AI the right way. So don't say that AI does not build trust. You are wrong. It is you using the AI to do the job. Get that right. It's not the AI that is doing the work. You are the one using AI to do the work. Why don't you do it? HeyGen is another AI. I love it. I use it all the time. But Sora is a competitor. Sora is actually very world class, but HeyGen comes next. AI avatars that present your script. It is perfect for training and marketing. Even YouTube videos. HeyGen is absolutely good. Then we have Synthesia. I don't know whether I've said it properly. Synthesia. Synthesia. All right, you can tell my language from how I say yes. Higher. Synthesia is corporate AI video in 140 plus languages. All right, it is used by Fortune 500 companies. Big companies, they use the AI, although their credit score is also very high. Higher, we have Pixelabs. Yeah, Pixelabs is good. Pixelabs, they animate images into a video. For example, I want to share with you how you can turn fruits into a video. You know how you can turn a fruit into a video? For example, a watermelon, it starts talking, they get a lot of engagement. You find like a blueberry is dancing, it is done by Pixelabs. All right, you can be able to animate. It's called animation. You can be able to animate an image into a video. Higher, we have CapCut. This one is the ByteDance. ByteDance is the company that built TikTok. Is that okay? So CapCut and TikTok, then they have names CapCut, TikTok. Higher, they are all done by one company called ByteDance. Free AI video editor. It does auto subtitles, effect, smart cuts, and it is very mobile friendly. You can use it on your phone. I have CapCut. I believe you also have CapCut. It's a very nice one for learning how to edit videos. Literally the best way to learn it, you do it under CapCut. Higher. So that one, we are in video generation AI. From there, so literally I want you to try them. Okay, just go and try all of them. The free version should be able to give you the true picture of what you are going to find on the inside. Then from there, we go to AI number 5. Now we are getting deeper. We are getting our feet inside down there. We have an AI called, we have automation AI. What this one does is this. It connects your apps and then it triggers actions without human input. They are very powerful. Automation is one of my favorite parts of this life. Like, I love automation, right? Because automation means they are working when you are sleeping. Oh my goodness. Like, it can send an email, it can reply to an email, it can update your, like, it can post for you, you can schedule your work. Let's say, for example, you're going for a 1 week vacation. Once you learn this AI, it is able to do the job like you could have done. For example, let me give you like a workflow of what we do in digital marketing, because I do digital marketing very well. So let me give you how the workflow looks like. So the first thing that you do is that if you are doing social media, you have TikTok here. All right? You have TikTok here. What do you do on TikTok? You create and you post content. Oops, I lost it. Higher. You create and you post. So you post a video. Let me show you this. From that, what happens is that when you post that video, you are going to get comments. Yes, comments. Whereby you are supposed to reply to the comments. So this is the job and this is your task. You reply to the comment. Then from those comments, what you reply is that you are sending that audience to the website. This is what we call a workflow. So you are typing, the reply should be able to guide every comment towards your website. So your www.your website. From the website, there will be email automation. So let me see if I can continue. Higher. There is going to be, from the website, someone is able to send you a follow-up email or emails for more information and everything. So they send an email which you are supposed to reply. Although Now let me make this clear. This part should be very well understood. Let me wrap something here. I love my whiteboard pen, although sometimes it refuses to write in front of my eyes. Higher. So I want to show you how it works, and then I want to show you how AI can do everything for you. Higher. So when someone enters on the website, they enter their email, so they get an email. They get an email in their inbox. So they get an email in their inbox. All right. Then once they get it, they can also send an email feedback, like they can write an email back. Therefore, you reply now to this one. This one was sent automatically by the website, the first email. The second one, you're the one to reply. Oh my goodness, I've not finished. And then somebody goes to the website and now they purchase. They purchase a digital product that is there. All right. When they purchase, what happens? You receive the money. So let's say it is a $1,400 program. You receive your $1,400 in your account, and then automatically they receive the program they bought. Automatically. Can you imagine? All of this act step by step can be done by AI. And this is why automation is very good. So let's go from the first one here. We go from the first one. Can AI be able to post a video for you? Yes, for sure. Whether you are doing faceless, look at it. Whether you are doing faceless or whether you are doing face forward, okay, I want you to know there is no reason why you should not make money online. AI is able to do that, and it will not just create. So AI is going to create and post. AI will create and it will post. We have examples of HeyGen, Syllabi, those AI, TikTok Studio. They are AIs that are able to create and post, and even they schedule future posting. Like they schedule for the next 30 days. Like you can schedule and tell it, post for the next 30 days, and it will do that job, and you give it the specific times that you want work that to be done. Having said that, those videos are going to generate comments because the audience and the views who are going to see the video, they are going to comment. Here, you have an AI. For example, the AI I want to show you right now called ManyChat, Zapier. What they do is that the AI will reply the comments. You have already given the AI the command on how to reply. Can you imagine? On how to reply. So it will go to social media. No matter how many you have, it will go to all of them. I use a special one called ManyChat. Can you imagine? I use an AI called ManyChat. It replies. And then when it replies, the audience, because I had a very nice gentleman today calling me from Samburu County. And he told me, Sam, I like your hard work. You reply to every comment. And I explained to him, I told him, I want to be honest with you. I'm actually not the one who replies. But he told me it doesn't matter because for me, I'm looking to get the reply. The worst case scenario is you go to my videos and my post to reply, and it takes days for me to reply because I'm the one doing it manually. That means you'll also be annoyed because how comes this guy is doing things so manual? AI replies, and you see what you do. You have already trained it so it can reply properly. Let me tell you guys, this is what we call working smart. All right? So once it replies, guess what it does? Every comment takes the audience to your website. When everyone goes to your website, there is an automated website. It is able to send follow-up emails automatically. Higher. The audience may well go and get the emails, but want a special personalized reply. They write a special personalized reply. The AI will reply. The same. In fact, the same one that replies to comments here is the same one that replies to the emails. Higher. The AI replies and everything is in order. Someone goes to the checkout and they see the digital product and they make payment automatically. Can you imagine? The AI is able to detect payments done to you and it releases the program automatically. Tell me where you are involved. You are here, you are the CEO. This is how you can become an online CEO with 0 employees. 0 hiring. You don't have to hire on the whole procedure, and it can reply all the way to the end. Like, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Are you telling me I can do everything? Yes, and you make the money, because at the end of the day, it is about being able to have time freedom so that you can spend time with your family. Some of your videos are going to take off, and you're going to have a lot of comments to reply. How will you reply, my friend, and still spend time with the people you love? That is why you train it so that it can reply properly, not sloppy, no, adequate and accurate. Time freedom and also financial freedom. This is true money. This is real money. Yesterday alone, I made $2,900 in just one single day. $2,900, and I will tell you that for sure. Apart from the live I did in the evening, I spent the rest of the time preparing for the summit. But because of my automated system, it is working even when I'm away. Time freedom, financial freedom, and you can work from anywhere in the world. We call that location freedom. Are you noticing this? Location freedom. So I don't know whether you can, I don't know whether you got it. I really pray that you did, because I know you are smart, all right? But this is exactly why I'm so excited. By the way, me, I don't know whether there is anybody excited like me. Me, I'm seeing the opportunities right here in front of us. Oh my goodness. Are you telling me you will continue? Do you know why companies are now firing people like Safaricom, Equity Bank? Do you know why? It is because AI can do better. AI work 24/7. AI will not hang up, will not be angry. It will do the job throughout. That's what I'm telling you. You go to any video of mine online, at any given time, you're going to have a conversation. Real conversation. Because I have given the AI my intellectual property. I've given it exactly how I want it. I don't want it to be sloppy. I want it to be accurate in its wording. And let me tell you, where it does not know how to answer, do you know the AI ask me? There are some Facebook comments that AI has to ask me, hey, how do we respond to this? All right? And when I tell it, I will not tell it tomorrow. I will not remind it next week. It has learned. That's what I love about AI. If it was a person I was training, oh my goodness, every 2 days, they are forgotten. The other 2 days, they are forgotten. They have done wrongly. AI learns very quickly, and it continues becoming better and becoming better. ManyChat right now is a super, it is working so well. Yeah, you got this, my friend. And you too, you can do the same. And you can start it off right from now. Okay? So you can attain time and financial freedom. When I'm going to launch an agency, very soon I'm going to start an agency. I am literally going to be having trained AI so well that it is able to deliver results for my clients. An agency is basically let me not talk about it. Okay, I'm getting out of topic. But anyway, future things are being brighter. Stay with me, my friend. You need to stay here. This is gonna be absolutely cool. Yeah, so let me delete this. Yep, let's go now. Get out of my screen now. Oh my goodness, this is not moving. Can you imagine? It's not moving. I hope the computer is not misbehaving again. You know the way it did, yeah? It is unable to leave my screen. Come on. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. All right. Oh, we did it, yeah? Okay. Wow. Can you imagine it's not moving? I want it to move. So automation AI, it is able to do the following. It is able to connect your apps, trigger actions without human input, and run an entire workflow while you sleep. It is able to send email when a form is submitted, update spreadsheets from incoming data, post social media content on your schedule, fire your team automatically, all without writing any line of code. Like, you don't need to be tech smart. A 65-year-old can run this with AI. You know, guys, I don't know why I'm so excited, right? I'm actually so excited with this. Higher examples of AI we can use. One of them is called Zapier. It is able to connect 7,000 apps, build no-code automation in minutes. This one is the most popular. But the one I have used before is called Make. You see, I'm not telling you something I've not done. Me, I'm an experimenter. I go out there and I test things a lot. Now I need to refresh this. Let me refresh my screen here so that we can be able to drop the screenwriter. It's becoming difficult to operate with it. Yeah. So I'm refreshing it in a minute. Let's go. Oh, come on. Large language, we talked about. Zapier, it is able to connect 7,000 apps. A very successful business without hiring anybody or anyone, just because of knowing how to automate, understanding every tool, the role they do, and then you can replace it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Freedom is coming. Higher, we have Make, Visual Automation Builder, more powerful and flexibility than Zapier. Yeah, Make is easier to use. Then we have N8N. All right, N8N is also another automation AI. It is open source, self-hostable automation. It is free and highly customizable. People have N8N a lot. It's very popular. All right, I am giving you these tools. Please don't go and sleep with them. Higher, we have another AI tool, and this one is called Microsoft Power Automation. Hi. Microsoft Power Automation. So this is native automation inside Microsoft 365. It is best for corporate environments. I've not touched it. Then we have Notion AI under Notion. Auto-generate summaries, databases, and plans from your notes. Then we have Lindy AI. Oh my goodness, I've had it today also when I was teaching, when I was preparing this. There was Lindy. Higher, AI assistant that handles email replies, scheduling, and workflows. Higher, which one is the best for us to focus on? Zapier, Make, or N8N? All right, I have not really touched N8N. I know it is absolutely awesome, but I have not known exactly how we can be able to do it. All right. Higher. Then we have got another AI. Then we go to the next generation of AI. We have music and sound AI. Yes, I know we talked about voice AI. This is music AI. This one, what does it do? It composes original songs. It generates background tracks. It creates sound effects, masters audio, and produces full vocals from a text to a prompt. No instrument, no studio, no music theory needed. You describe the vibe and the mood, and AI delivers a track in seconds. Can you imagine you becoming a musician? I'm going to try it. All right. I just start singing naturally. So we have examples of tools. If you're a musician and you have ever wanted to produce music, don't worry. Or let's say, for example, it's Valentine and you want to sing a nice love song to your loved one. Don't worry. The AI will only take your photo and it will take your voice and it will make you a musician. You download that music and send to somebody. And they'll be like, you medicated that. Yeah, because you are smart. You know how to use AI. AI delivers a complete music, a complete song. You give it, I want to sing like, for me, I would love to sing like Drake. Yeah, you know Drake, yeah? Or Chris Brown. So I give my photo to AI and tell is, I want to sing like Chris Brown, but with my voice. So take that song and make me sing like him, but it is me with my voice and my face. Oh my goodness, my friend, I will, what do you call it? I will, what do we call this walking with legs? I will catwalk. Not catwalking. What do we call this kind of dancing where you are dancing? Oh my goodness, I'm so terrible. You understanding this? All right, what do you call this? This way, like you know how they dance and their feet, they are not leaving the floor. How do you call that? Oh my goodness. They drag their feet, whatever. I can't remember. The best AI tool for that is Suno. Very popular. It's called Suno. All right, full song generation with lyrics and vocals from a single text prompt. Hi, we have Udio. All right, by Udio, it is high quality, breakdance. Layla, very well. High quality AI music with advanced style control and stem separation. We have SoundDraw, all right, royalty free music, background music for videos and content, fully customizable. We have Aiva, all right, Boomy, 11 Labs SFX, sound effects from 11 Labs. All of them, those ones are for music. Understand there is voice AI that can clone your voice. You know, they almost sound the same. Then there is music and sound AI. Music and sound is the one, it makes you a musician. You literally start break dancing here, my friend. You start dancing like, you know, the Indian songs, the way they dance. Oh my goodness. It makes you do everything like that. I love it. Wow. Higher. Let's go to the second AI tool. The number 7 category is coding AI. Coding. This is for people who are interested to learn how to code. You know, AI can write code very well. It is able to debug errors, and it explains what code does in plain English. For example, we have HTML, all right? We have other types of codes that are out there. AI is able to tell you in English. You know, there is computer language, there is JavaScript. AI is able to tell you what that is in English. Imagine that. So it explains what code does in plain English. It auto-completes functions. It can be able to build an entire app from a description. It converts code between programming languages. Stanford research showed developers using Code AI completed tasks 55% faster. So non-coders can now build with AI. You can come up with an app, a website. That is the part of coding I'm talking about. And it is true. Right now, I have built multiple websites using AI, right? I've used multiple of them using AI. So which tools? I will not just tell you the generation or the type, but I will also tell you the tool. We have GitHub Copilot, all right? And editor code completion. It writes functions as you type, industry standard. So GitHub Copilot. Then we have Casa by Casa, AI fast code editor. It chats with your code base. It is able to build up by simply describing them. And this one I use here, Cloud Code by Anthropic. The same cloud we talked about. It is also a coding tool. Terminal-based AI engineer. It reads, writes, and refactors entire code base. We have Replit AI, Tab9, Vercel. Those are the tools that you can use for coding. Coding, okay? The best one there I can tell you that is beginner friendly is Cloud AI, depending on if you want to code. Anyway, I'm not a fan of coding myself. Maybe you want, but let me just tell you because you might be interested in coding. Finally, the last AI category we are going to look at is research and search AI. What does it do? This research AI replaces hours of Googling with instant, sourced, and synthesized answers. All right? So it is able to give you feedback instantly, like on the spot. Higher. It reads documents. It summarizes entire research paper. It answers follow-up questions. It finds competitor intelligence. It analyzes markets, and it helps you to understand complex topics in plain language in under 3 minutes. The one I love the most, and I use it all the time, is called Google Notebook LM. Now, let me show you this. I have this book right here that I'm studying from Elon Musk. Sorry, the guys are not able to see the video, especially TikTok. Oh my goodness, they're able to see a video. I have this book. When we go to the practical, we are going to read this book live. But let me tell you, we are not going to open the page. We are going to use Google Notebook LM. Oh my goodness, you must come to the practical. If you're the kind of person who reads with, you do research, you summarize papers, you do have to do with follow-up questions, you want to study the market, you want to understand a complex information in a simple language, this is the AI for you. And I think this one is applicable to all of us. Perplexity, AI search with cited resources. It replaces Google for research and fact-finding. This is the one that put Google away. Google went ahead and they built their own AI tool. I love it. It's called Notebook LM. Notebook, you upload your document like a book. The way you upload this book, in just a minute, it has read the whole book, and now it can start discussing the book with you, like one-on-one. Can you imagine? You tell it, tell me what is the book about. Tell me the best story about that book. What exactly? And then you are like, it's not like you are asking the question, it is answering. No, you are talking what, you know, the way you sit with somebody and then you can interject as they are talking, and then you can add your point, and then they can continue. Yes, that's one of the activities you are going to be doing. You will love this so much, and it will help you to learn very, very fast. We have Consensus. I've not used it, but it's there. Such peer-reviewed scientific papers with AI synthesized answers. Elicit, this one for literature review and academic research, and all these links. By the way, guys, I want you guys to know I am going to be providing the links to all the AI tools. All right, tomorrow I'm going to be revealing the links, all the links to the AI tools I've mentioned. I don't want you to go wondering where to click them. I will give you what I call the Summit Workbook, okay? So tomorrow, one of the gifts you're going to be getting is what we call the workbook, the Summit Workbook. That Summit Workbook will contain all the links, every information for the 3-day summit, everything. It's gonna be everything I've taught during the 3 days of the summit, and I'll give it to you as a gift for coming to the summit. So make sure you come tomorrow, and you're going to have access to all the links to this AI. So you just click and you're in. Can't click and you're in, okay? Yes, and you can use those links absolutely for free. So don't worry, you can try them as much as you want. All right? We have Semantic Scholar. This is a free AI-powered academic search engine, 200 million search papers. It's called Semantic Scholar. Then we have ChatGPT plus Browse, real-time web browsing plus AI synthesis. This one has a different name on ChatGPT. It's called Agent Mode. So Agent Mode is an AI that is able to do real-time research. Like you give it a job, it goes online on your behalf and it searches for you. So how many have we covered? 8 of them. All 8 AI tools. Now, oh my goodness, you have covered a lot, guys. Oh my, I love it. I want to share with you what I call AI ethics and AI risks. And then from there, we are going to go to the practical session. The risk is that AI states facts confidently that are completely and sometimes dangerously right, because AI does not really know what is right and what is wrong. The smart move is this. Every time you get, and I told you this, it is called AI hallucination. It is an ethic and a risk that you should be aware. All right? Always verify important facts, especially statistics, dates, names, and medical, legal, or financial information from a trusted source. Yes, it will do the job. For example, right now, we are approaching the month of tax filing. And let me tell you, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use AI to do for you the math, the job you could pay an accountant to do it for you. Instead of going to a cyber, I will show you how you can use it to actually do it for you. But again, you need to double check. You need to do what? You need to double check. Yes, for sure. So make sure that you double check. Higher. The other ethic and risk I want to share with you is data privacy. Anything that you type into a public AI is the free one. All right? AI can be able to store that information. And it can be reviewed by AI people, and they can use that information to train their AI. So what you should do is this. Don't put your passwords to AI. Don't put your bank account to AI. Anything sensitive, don't give it to AI. Even ID, don't give that information to AI. For your own privacy, there are some information you will have to keep to yourself. Number 1, password. Number 2, any information regarding to somebody else, like somebody else's email address. No, email address is not a serious one, but passwords, anything that is bank related or money related, financial, bank card. Don't give AI your bank card. Don't upload your bank account statement. Don't do that, especially if you're using the free AI. For the paid AI, let me tell you one of the things that you do. When you use paid AI, because all those tools, they have free versions and paid versions. When you go to the paid versions, you have already paid for your own security. You can tell it to delete all the information, and genuinely, it will not store. It will delete everything. So even if you give it confidential information, it is going to delete it from their database. They will not store it at all. Okay? So that is one of the ethics and the realities about them. And they'll show you they have actually deleted, so there is no record about you in their database. Personal ID, anything. If you want to do that and you want to go to, like, for example, if you want to use AI to do for you accounting, math, you want to upload your M-Pesa statements, use paid AI tool, not free. Paid AI tool. because with the paid AI tool, that information does not leave your computer. It is with AI, yes, but it does not go to the other side. You know, the other viewers. It is like when you pay for these credits, they put a wall. So any information fed to AI, it cannot go out. You can extract information outside, but the information you have cannot. I don't know whether I'll teach you this. It is all in cybersecurity. That you are confident. That's why I am confident to pay for AI, because I know if I give it any confidential information, it does not leak with the paid versions, but with the free versions, it can leak. Now you know. Deep fakes and misinformation. AI can generate fake images, videos, and audios of real people saying things they never said. This is already widespread. For example, you can see people using AI to produce content and videos of popular people in the country. You have seen that, right? So what we are doing is that question photographic evidence. The right thing for you to do. Look for context clues, check original sources, and you can use detection tools like AI or not for verification. So what we are doing, this is something that is under progress, and I know about it. In 2026 and 2027, we are coming with AI detector. It is able to tell you whether this AI generated or real. This way, you should be aware. Like this one was generated by AI, which is okay, but you should be aware. Higher. The other threat or ethic you need to be aware is over reliance and loss of skill. And this one is literally affecting your judgment. When you overly rely on AI to do things for you, what happens is that you lose your skill, because now AI can do the job for you. All right. If you accept AI outputs, you don't review, you just accept them the way they come, guess what? That is going to weaken your judgment over time. Any quick math, any quick research, anything, you just jump to AI. This over reliance is causing, in the future, it will cause what we call mental decay, because your mind is no longer going to work. You are going to use the intelligence of this tool and not your own. So you will have what we call mental decay. Mental decay meaning that your brain stops working at some point. Is that clear? So what is the smart thing to do? Every response you get from AI, sit down and review. Let's say, for example, it could have taken you 2 hours to carry out a specific job, or to read a book, or to get some data. Now you can use 30 minutes to review what AI has given you. At the end of the day, you have still saved a lot of time, because AI has done it in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You have taken 25 minutes to review. So you have taken 30 minutes, my friend. 30 minutes instead of 2 hours. It was worth it, but you still were involved. That way you will not be over-reliant to AI. Always review your work, personalize it, and own what you publish. Higher copyright and intellectual property. What is the risk in this category? I want to tell you everything, guys, because as we get into the AI world, the more educated and informed you are, the better you become. AI is trained on data that may include copyrighted work. Outputs may unintentionally reproduce protected content. Higher. So what do you do in this case? Disclose AI use where required. For example, nowadays when we post videos online, it tells us to disclose. Did you use AI to produce it, or it was your own work? All right? Don't claim AI work to be purely original. Use commercial sales tools like Adobe Firefly. That way, you will not be, I think Adobe Firefly, I've not used it myself, but it is a detector. It is able to tell you, declare this one was AI produced. Declare this one was natural or original. That way, there is that copyright and intellectual property infringement protection. Then finally, we have bias and discrimination. AI inherits bias from its training data. That is again what we call it hallucination. It may reflect racial, gender, and cultural stereotypes unknowingly. Like it may favor certain places. For example, nowadays AI is giving me a lot of references. It is from Nairobi. I don't know why. Now everything is like examples from Nairobi. So it is favoring, or it is just favoring Nairobi. I don't know for what reason. So this one is to let you know. Be aware. Review all the output critically for bias. Provide diverse context-rich prompts. Context-rich prompts. Don't automate HR or legal decisions. For example, don't just let AI to make judgments for you. For example, if you are dealing with a case in the court and you have all the papers to look at them, let AI look at them, but don't just assume everything given by AI is accurate. I don't think we have gotten that far, but we are already way much inside the AI. All right, already we are there. But if you know the rules, I promise you, you are not going to be you're not going to be stuck doing everything yourself, because now you can have AI save you the time. It will automatically be able to save you the time. Anyway, wow. Give me a wow in the comments, guys. Let me see. Give me a wow in the comments if you're with me up to there. Tell me a wow in the comments if you're with me up to there. I love it. This is awesome. Yeah. Type a wow if that was a complete learning of AI that you're like, oh my goodness. Nobody ever could have taught you this. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is my self-taught knowledge. I have spent almost 300 hours getting this information because I didn't want to come here to give you fluff. I wanted to share with you what is working, and not just, I wanted to go the extreme. You know, I wanted to give you everything that you have, and I loved it. So live here, guys. The map is free. The information, no way I am going to keep this information for you. The journey starts at 8 p.m. Or in other words, of course, our time was disrupted a lot. So I want us to go to the practical session now. You leave with real results tonight. No ideas, not just ideas, but notes. Actually, AI-generated images, videos, voices, scripts that you made yourself. That's the point of going to the practical. You made them yourself. So you see the tools working on your content. So every demo we are going to be doing, we are going to be using your real brief, your real work, and you're actually going to see how the tools change your life, literally. You are like, oh my God, I've been taking long to do this particular task. Now I can do it in just a matter of minutes. And we have said, don't accept all AI. They are going to be so nice, but don't just accept them the way they come. Take 20 to 25 minutes to review. 55% faster, 40% better quality. Those are the Stanford and Harvard numbers. Knowing that won't change your life. Experiencing it tonight is going to do that. So 3,500 shillings versus maybe maybe 3,500 hours trying to figure it on your own. Either choose to pay 3,500 shillings to come for the practical, or choose 3,500 hours figuring it on your own. If AI saves you just 1 hour a week, that is 52 hours a year. What is your time worth? Is your time worth 3,500 shillings? Tell me right now. All right. I'm going to be your guide. I've done this. I've used AI for the last when? Oh my goodness. I think for a long time. I've just been working with it and I love it so far. Not a YouTube tutorial. A live expert walking you through live on Zoom. So we have a private Zoom and we are going to be jumping on Zoom right now. And if you have not jumped in already, the time for you to do it is right now. All right. That is our M-Pesa pay bill and the account number. And if you're using the credit card, you can use the credit card below there to register. AI is already part of how you work. It is already there. The question is this: do you know how to use it? By 9 p.m., AI is going to be helping you. The real value was not the theory session. The real value is going to be the practical session, the habit it builds. So day 2 practical participants report using AI daily within the week. So this one means that the students who are going to jump on the theory class, they are going to start using AI right away. So guys, let me expand this so that you can see it. If you're joining us live, join right now. It is only 3,500 shillings for the practical session. That's where we are headed right now. And if you missed day 1, there is a replay, so you are not missing a lot. All right, practical is 3,500 shillings or $27. All right, $27. Register right now. The time for you to do it is right now, so that we can jump in on a private Zoom link. Then once you do it, send your number, send your payment. All right, share payment to the number right here. If you did yesterday, you don't have to do it again. You're already registered, but I'm talking to those who would want to do it. Also, share your number right there. Contact that number right now. All right, I give you what, 10 minutes, and then you are able to jump in and be able to be part of the process, so we can go to the practical, my friend. Don't miss the practical. Amazing. Let's go, everybody. All right. Let's jump in. All right, let me put a music here. We dance a little bit. 10 minutes break. Go get your cup of coffee. Go get a glass of water. Go now. All right. Go get a glass of coffee. Where is this? Oh my goodness, I lost my music. All right. I'm getting this so that you guys can go to jump in. You join me right now. It's gonna be live right now. Live right now. We are going to be learning this with you, step by step by step. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Register on the link right now. That is the pay bill, and that's the account. Come for the practical session that we are going in the next 10 minutes. We are going to be jumping in right now. Okay.
Hey there. Ever felt like communicating with customers could be easier?
You forgot. You forgot. Don't act like you forgot.
Let's go.
You forgot. You forgot.
And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone.
You forgot. You forgot.
Congratulations, Marianne. You have registered.
I got a little dream, but it's not Bacardi. If you love the girl, then I'm so sorry.
Perfect. Marianne has registered. Very well, very well.
You're on your level.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your
Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. In 15 minutes, we're going to be live for theory class.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
Get up and dance. Get up and dance. Get a cup of coffee. Let's go.
Gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, let them say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man. Whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, amen. Room full of boppers. Tell them give me cover.
Congratulations for Justin. Very well, Justin has registered. Okay. Congratulations for Justin. Yes, let's go.
It's pretty neat. My bitch, the way that I grow. I be stepping up in the club and make a drop to my show. I do mic as I spoil, but I don't give a fuck. Silverware, new child to be acting up for the sport. You talk like a girl, ain't it again? Yeah, got a booty like this. I'm trying to make it wow.
Yes, Justin, may send your message to the number right there so that we can be online. Together, we are going to make this happen. Let's go.
Guys, better.
What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little thug. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
Yes, congratulations. John Chege, thank you so much. Congratulations for registering for the practical session. We start off in 6 minutes. We end the live and we jump on. Let's go.
Nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm not athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Hello, talking, got my throat out, baby. If you keep up with me, I will keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get a guy.
Congratulations. How many of you guys are we going for the practical? John Chege, congratulations. Send your number. Send your number on the screen. Send your number on the screen. Let's go for the practical session.
Thing, miss, can I shake that thing, yo? Annabella, shake that thing. Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody, and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing. Miss kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing. Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody, and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing. Miss kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing. Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody, and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing. Shake that thing. Shake that thing. Shake that thing. Take that thing. Take that thing. Take.
Where shake body. Where move body. Make you ring along. Where shake body.
I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will I rock with my rebel yell underneath? You wanna step to me? Since you got a long way to go. Rock with me, know you claim that you're so hot. And you say you got skills in the bedroom. You try to flirt when you're so mad. Had to chase you, still never come through. You say you wanna come see me, cause you know your girlfriend won't be me. I'ma tell you what, kid, you got a long way to go.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can stop it now. Listen to me now. I'm less than 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on with me now. Is you with me now? The biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I talk about. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. I just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. You just want attention. Attention. I just wanna get your attention. You just wanna, you wanna be all up in your head. You just wanna, what I got, you gon' wanna get some. Yeah, but girl, that's only if you ain't scared. And I will knock on your door. You just put that bottom up in the bed. I'll get you hot. I know you want somewhere. And when I walk in, all that I want is you say, Daddy's home. Home for me. I know you've been waiting for this loving all day. You know your daddy's gone and he's not possessed. Yeah, so you ain't got to give my love away. So I'm gonna say, hey, young moolah,
I wasn't born last night. I know these hoes ain't right, but you was blowing up her phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Oh, nigga, that's that nerve. Why give a bitch your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have nine? You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime, I'm the shit. Oh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did every day but trust these hoes. See me fuck with
when a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. Oh, these hoes ain't loyal. Oh, these hoes ain't loyal. Yeah. See, just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich, but I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna do drugs.
drugs, smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rappers. When a rich nigga want you, baby. And your nigga can't do nothing for
Oh, okay.
no. These hoes ain't loyal, no they ain't.
All right, we are bringing this over now. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to our live class. Now we are going to the theory class right now.
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal.
I said I'm geek and I'm fire. All I want tonight is just get higher.
These hoes ain't
look so good, it's to die for.
I'm writing to you, guys.
Pussy good, it's to die for.
It's a secret society. All we ask is share. All we got is love. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Kung Fu Kenny now. My resume is real enough for 2 millennium. And I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. We rolling with it at the right time, right now.
All right.
Bad girl, rip it now. Swerve, leave it now. On your clothes, I can see him.
Okay, so we end the class now.
Hard ass on the bitch on the fast.
Bye-bye, guys.
That
On
bitch
live.
before in the cash came. I'm a
Yeah, see you
savage. I'm a
guys
carrot. I'm a name.
tomorrow for the last
I'm a natural.
I'm a savage, I'm an asshole, I'm a king. Shimmy out, shimmy out, shimmy out. You can tell your nigga he can meet me outside. You can maybe sit on when I leave him outside. Ain't no other love like the one I know. I done been down so long, lost hope. I done came down so hard, I slow. Honestly, forever, all